I never thought I'd be excited about something as simple as a light stand, but this thing has features that I genuinely wish that I had years ago. After using it on several photo and video shoots, I don't think I can go back. These are the new MagStands from MagMod, and in this video, I'll share all of the details and my experience using these over the past month. Let's get the basic stuff out of the way. There are two different stands in the MagStand lineup, the MagStand 9 Pro and the MagStand 11 Pro. The 9 Pro comes in at 5.1 pounds and the 11 weighs in at 6.3 pounds. As you can probably tell by looking at them, they look beautiful, featuring a space black finish and a flat edge stainless stud. It not only looks like a premium quality light stand, but it also feels super premium. If you're rocking any kind of strobes or flashes that cost you over $400, you're gonna wanna keep a stand like this that will keep your light secured. Speaking of secured, one of the features that sets these stands apart from others is how the height adjusts. Normally you'd have a knob of some sort that you'd have to twist to tighten or loosen. I have several large heavy modifiers at my studio, and sometimes it kind of is a chore to get the height adjusted to where I want them to sit. With these MagStands, they have notches spaced out just under an inch apart that make it easy to adjust the height of the stand. The max height, by the way, corresponds to the model of each stand. So the MagStand 9 Pro goes up to 9 feet, while the 11 goes up to 11 feet. Getting back to the height adjustments, these stands have these auto lock buttons. You simply squeeze the buttons to allow you to make your adjustments, and once you let go, they lock into place. The design here is super crafty, where you don't have to put a bunch of strength and muscle into loosening or tightening them like you would with a knob on a traditional light stand. It's one of those engineering things that a lighting nerd like myself really appreciates. Adjusting the height is really easy, but this stand has some other cool tricks that I have to show you. For example, opening up the legs on this stand is just as easy as adjusting the height. You just press on these locks and you push the legs out. There are several notches along the bottom part of the stand where the legs can be locked out, so it's really easy. But the one thing that I wanted to highlight here is that the way that these stands are designed, you actually can have the legs barely spread out for those situations where you might be shooting in a tight space, but you still want a sturdy stand, of course, to hold up your lights. You've got that here with the MagStand. So with all of that, the MagStand 9 Pro has a minimum leg spread of 15.5 inches and a maximum of 36 inches when they're fully extended, while the MagStand 11 Pro has a minimum spread of 16.5 inches and a maximum of 42 inches. You'll notice at the minimum setting, the center column of the stand is actually raised just above the floor, unlike your typical light stands, which would require the legs to be spread out farther to keep the stand itself stable. If you're a wedding or you're an event photographer, videographer, whatever, the fact that you could have a strong light stand like this that fits in a really tight space, it means that you have less of a risk of you or somebody else tripping over your stand or knocking over your expensive lights. Another feature you might miss if you're just seeing these stands in use is that it could also be used as a monopod. By loosening this small latch on the stand, the entire column comes out so that you're able to have an assistant hold your light if you've got one available, and they can position it however you need the lights to be positioned during your shoot to get the shots that you're going for. Seriously, how awesome is that? Sound off in the comments, because this just gives you so much more flexibility that you just don't see in a single light stand. To me, it's like having two products in one. Now, because you remove that column, the MagStand 9 Pro could easily fit inside of a standard size suitcase. For those of you who are travel photographers or videographers, this is pretty awesome, giving you a lot more flexibility, taking this one light stand that does so many different things. They also did something really simple but kind of slick by putting this little anchor hook on the stand. This is where you'd attach your sandbag or maybe your camera bag if you're out doing a photo shoot. They pretty much thought of everything with this stand. I've never seen anything like this personally. They even have this magnetic attachment here, so you could snap multiple light stands together and you could carry it easily with just one hand. Seriously, these stands are ridiculously awesome. You might miss this feature entirely unless you're really looking at these stands closely, but there's a T-shaped channel on each of the legs which will allow for future upgrades and functionality to these stands. Now, I think these stands already have just about everything that I could possibly want in a stand, but I'm kind of curious, what kind of mods would you like to see added to these stands in the future? What do you think about these stands overall? Let me know in the comments section, and I'll have a link in the description of the video with more details and some possible discounts depending on when you decide to order these. Check that out, and if you want to learn more about lighting tips and techniques, check out the videos that you see on the playlist on screen. I gotta go, I'll see you there.